Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever wondered where your hard-earned cash ends up when you toss it into Acorns? I mean, it's cool to round up those purchases and watch your investments grow, but where exactly is that money going? Let's dive in and uncover the magic behind Acorns' investment strategy. Now, Acorns isn't your typical investment platform. It's like the chill, laid-back friend who suggests you start saving without even realizing it. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. There's a solid investment strategy behind the scenes. So, where does Acorns put your money? Let's break it down. The power of ETFs. First off, Acorns is a big fan of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs as a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets bundled together. It's like buying a whole bunch of groceries instead of individual items. Why ETFs? They're diversified, which means your money is spread across different investments, reducing risk. Plus, they're generally cheaper to buy and sell than individual stocks. Acorns Portfolios, your investment roadmap. Acorns offers different portfolios based on your risk tolerance. It's like choosing between a roller coaster and a Ferris wheel, both fun, but different levels of thrill. The more aggressive portfolios lean towards stocks, aiming for higher returns, but with more ups and downs. On the other hand, conservative portfolios focus on bonds for steadier growth. Behind the scenes, the fund managers. While Acorns handles the investment process, they rely on professional fund managers to do the heavy lifting. These folks are the investing wizards who pick the ETFs and manage the portfolios. It's like having a financial superhero looking after your money. Acorns fees, what you're paying for. Of course, nothing in life is free. Acorns charges a small management fee to cover their costs and the work they put in. It's like paying rent for your investment apartment. But don't worry, it's usually pretty reasonable, especially considering the convenience factor. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great option for beginners who want to start investing with small amounts. It's like dipping your toe in the investment pool without taking a giant leap. However, if you're a seasoned investor looking for advanced features and customization, you might want to explore other platforms. The bottom line. Acorns is a user-friendly platform that offers a simple way to start investing. By using ETFs and diversified portfolios, they aim to provide solid returns while managing risk. While it might not be the most complex investment strategy out there, it's a great starting point for many. So, there you have it. Acorns takes your spare change and invests it in a mix of ETFs based on your risk tolerance. It's like having a tiny money-growing machine in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on growing that money tree.